So there's my little corner for my shipping supplies. And I just got this printer, I don't know, 6 months ago. And before I got this, I'm like, how am I gonna print this printer? Because I know I can print from Etsy, but Etsy, I was like, can Etsy print to these? Not necessarily directly, but you can print to this. So I want to tell you how. So basically, Munbyn, whatever this is called, has their software. And the way I print to this from Etsy is I go into the Etsy mobile app in iOS, and I print. But then, what's nice about iOS is you can tell it to print other places, right? So I can tell it to print to this app on iOS, so now I can actually send the print directly to their app. So it's really easy. So I realized that when I got this, that because the way iOS works, and it actually makes it really easy to print to these printers, because you can tell it to really go to anywhere. I'm sure probably Android has the same thing, but don't worry, just get it, and you'll figure out how to get this stuff to the printer. I don't think there's a way to do it from the desktop. If you go to Etsy and print, this is not a Wi-Fi printer, so there's no way I can just go to my desktop and say, hey, print to, just print from Etsy, right? If it was Wi-Fi, then yeah, that I could easily do that. It's a Bluetooth only printer, so Bluetooth only printers are cheaper. So they do work. You just got to figure out what the trick is on your phone. So go ahead and get it. You can always return it. It doesn't work, but right now it's working just great for me. I can send it really easily to this printer. So I'm very happy. Hope that helps you.